Alright, so this composite denim project seems to be doing pretty well. Did get some wax paper stick to the material kind of just in the middle. A little bit of, seeping through the edges. There was one little tear in the corner, but it popped out of the mold okay, no problems. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it would be. Granted, this is only 3 layers, so we're looking at 1/8 of an inch about thick. I haven't actually measured it yet. I just now took it out of the mold. It has some hard stuff. It's got a little bit of flex to it, as you can see. But yeah, do some tests later on. So pretty cool.